We'll guide you through how to remove background noise in DaVinci Resolve. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.
First, make sure your project or animation is ready inside Blender. So I just have a simple animation. So I'm just gonna go ahead and preview it for you guys. So this is my simple animation that I created for the sake of the video. So I'm just gonna go ahead and export it. Now just go to the output properties at your right hand side by just clicking on it, and you will see resolution. You can go with 1920 by 1080px for full HD. Then make sure you set your frame rate. Just click on the drop down for frame rate and choose the frame rate option to your liking. I'm just gonna go with 30, and here you will see frame range. This controls how much of your timeline gets exported. If you want full video, just keep your start at 1 and keep your end to match your project. For example, if your project has 50 frames, you can just go with 50. So in my case, I'm just gonna go with 70, and after that scroll down and you will see output section. And in the output section, just click on the folder icon and select your folder where you want to export it. In my case, it's going to be Blender. So I'll just click on accept. And once that we have added the download path, we will see media type. Just click on the drop down for media type and make sure video is selected, and also make sure RGB is selected. And you will see an option for encoding also. Under container, just click on the drop down and make sure MP4 is selected like so. And once you have done that, you can leave the video codec to H264, or you can even go with H265. You can leave the rest of the settings as default if you are not sure what to change. Once that you are happy with the settings, just go to the render at the top left and choose to render animation. So just wait for the render animation to finish. And now once finished, just go to the folder that you selected earlier. So in my case, it's going to be the Blender folder. And when I just click on it and press the Alt and Enter key on my keyboard, we can see that the type of file is MP4. And now let's go ahead and preview it. And that's it. That's how you export a video as an MP4 in Blender. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to GuideRealm for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.